Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Danish Gambit. This aggressive opening begins with white playing e4, and after black responds with e5, white immediately offers the d-pawn with d4. The core idea is to sacrifice material early to gain a significant lead in development and open lines for your pieces. Black typically accepts the first pawn with x4, setting the stage for the next crucial moves. Following black's acceptance of the first pawn, white continues the gambit by playing c3, offering a second pawn. This is the defining characteristic of the Danish Gambit. If black accepts this second pawn with dxc3, white recaptures with the bishop on c3. This move rapidly develops white's light-squared bishop to a very active square, aiming directly at black's kingside and creating immediate threats. With two pawns sacrificed, white gains a significant lead in development. Both bishops are quickly active, and the queen can often join the attack swiftly. The open c and d files provide excellent avenues for rooks and the queen to participate. Your goal is to maintain the initiative, develop your remaining pieces, and launch an attack before black can consolidate their material advantage. Remember to keep your own king safe. The Danish Gambit is a thrilling opening that often leads to sharp, tactical positions. White sacrifices two pawns for a powerful initiative, rapid development, and open lines. While black has a material advantage of two pawns, they face immediate pressure and must navigate complex tactical challenges. Success in the Danish Gambit relies on a deep understanding of its attacking themes and a willingness to play aggressively. It's a great choice for players who enjoy dynamic chess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.